Why does my TikTok account keep going private? How to fix it? This type of problem in TikTok may be due to major two reasons. Number first, when your TikTok application is not updated, and the second reason is the age barrier. Therefore, to solve the problem, first of all tap on Play Store on your device. After tapping on Play Store on your device, Play Store will be launched on your device. Now, after your Play Store is launched, you will see an interface like this. Now, in the search option, search TikTok there. After you search TikTok there, you will see a screen like this. Now, go to the option of TikTok. Now, if there is any update available, just update your TikTok by clicking on Update option. After you update your TikTok application, now you have to go back. Now you have to go to the major TikTok application. You have to launch TikTok application on your mobile device. In order to launch TikTok on your mobile device, now you have to search TikTok on your mobile device. You have to scroll down until you find the option of TikTok on your mobile device. And after you find the option of TikTok, just tap on TikTok. And after you tap on TikTok, TikTok will be launched on your mobile device. And when your TikTok is launched on your mobile device, now you have to go to the profile section on the down right. After you go to the profile section on the down right, you have to go to the three lines on the top right. And after you go to the three lines on the top right, you see the option of settings and privacy there. When you see the option of settings and privacy there, now you will see an interface like this. Now you have to scroll down until you find the option of privacy and just tap on privacy. After that, you have to see whether you have enabled the private account or not. If you have enabled the private account, you have to go on turn off and continue. And this way, your problem will be solved.
Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.